Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to post a blog on Wix in 2024. Of course, whether you are sharing your last thoughts, insights, or even updates with your visitors. Wix makes it very easy to create and also publish some blog posts. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide and let's dive into this video and let's get your content online and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, of course, go to this URL section, just type wix.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, basically, you'll be taken to this page instead, first of all, and you can click on login at the top right corner if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, click on get started instead. Of course, you can use Google and Apple and Facebook, as you can see, for login. And for sign up, you can use Google or Facebook if you have one of those accounts, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. As you can see, you'll find all the sites that you have. You can even create a site, AI, like fully AI, to post your blogs. I already made a video about this. You can go and check it out on this channel, how to create a fully functional website using AI on Wix. So basically, once you open this, you can simply just open the site where you want to post a blog specifically. So as an example, for me, I'll just go and choose like this. Of course, this is using Wix Studio. Of course, I'll just open to because the interface might look different depending if you're using Wix or Wix Editor, website editor, or Wix Studio. So if you're using Wix Studio, the interface will or the UI will look just a little bit different if you're using Wix Editor. So it's kind of the same options, kind of everything. As you can see, this is Wix Editor, and Wix Studio will be like white and etc. So let's start by Wix Editor as an example to show you how to put how to post a blog on Wix, like website. So I'll just go here to page. I'll just go to the assistant page where I can like put stuff. I have here some videos. So I'll just go and delete that video in here. And yeah, so as you can see in here, you can go to this list panel first of all, click on this plus, add elements, and you can go and look first of all for blog. As you can see here, so I'll just go first of all remove that. So here's blog as an example. Yeah, here's this blog. I'll just go and click on that. So here, as you can see, we can choose what post we want to add. We want a post list, which is large, list, which is sidebar, recent posts, category menu, tag cloud, archive, RSS button, whatever I want to put, whatever I want to post on my blog. So, an example, I'll put here like a post large. As an example, once I click on it, I find here some options like this, etc. So once I click on it, of course, it will be added right away in here without any problem. Of course, all I need to do, just go and click on manage posts and I'll be able to manage them. I'll be able to manage or change like the everything. Of course, for you, if you don't have a blog already in your website, you can first of all set up a blog. And of course, if you don't have a blog, you can set it up by simply it's very simple to set it, right? And of course, Wix will basically add a blog if you go to the blog section. If you still didn't add any, just go and click on blog and it will be set up automatically by Wix. Wix will help you do it. Or if you create your website using AI, it will do it also very fast. So now, once you go and access this blog manager, basically, or the post of your blog, here as you can see, you'll be able to start fixing or editing whatever you want. Starting, as an example, I'll just go to whatever post I have on blog. I can click on it as an example. Here, I'll be able to edit everything. Starting from the image, as an example, I'll just go here and click on edit the image, and I'll change as an example. I can change however it looks like. I can even, if I don't want the same image, I can change it to whatever I want. Click on cancel and change or look for another one. Of course, I can make it small. I can make it full width. I can make it like original size. I can do whatever I want on it. Of course, I can even edit the alignment, the settings of it, everything I can edit about it. I can even delete it if I don't want to and add a new like image as an example. So click on image in here as an example, and I'll be able to add whatever image I want. As an example, I don't know, I'll just add this image. As you can see, I can even use some AI images. So if I go here, as you can see, AI image, and of course, this AI image or AI basically is included just on Wix like editor. You will not find this on Wix Studio. So, an example here, I want like a photo, and I'll describe it. I just want like a gaming setup because I have this blog about gaming games and stuff. So I'll just go here and do that, create an image, and see what image should be created. Of course, I can choose the style instead of photo, like an illustration, painting, 3D, as an example. So yeah, looks good. I'll just go and click on use image. Why not? And click on save. And of course, you can crop it, resize it, adjust it, add any filters, add any colors. If you're good at doing that, it's totally up to you to do it. For example, here's it. So I'll just go and double click on it and it should be added right here. Of course, I can resize it, like, as an example, small fit. And yeah, as you can see, of course, I can like change the alignment of it. Of course, I don't want it here in 1. I maybe want it in 2. I'll be able to do so. I'll be able to change it wherever or however I want. For example, I want to put it here instead of that. So, for example, I want to put it like down. Of course, all I need to do just scroll down a little bit. Just put this like, of course, this is like together. So I'll have to keep scrolling down a little bit. So what about like, okay, it's like different. Of course, you can just go and delete it like and put like the cursor whenever you want, and you can simply just click on add and add that image, and of course it will be added automatically as example. So just click on plus. As you can see, it will be added at the bottom where I have the cursor. Of course, other than the images, you can edit the text however you want. As example, so I'll just go here and click on leave as an example. So for this example, you can edit the text as well. You can edit whatever you want, basically as you do on a like a blog. Write and format your blog post however you want. Add categories and tags, set some featured image, do whatever you want. This is, as we said, and the Wix editor. For the Wix like Studio, it's going to be basically the same. So I'll just go again to pages. I have a testing page here as well. So yeah, here's it. So I'll just go and click on it. I have also a video here, so I'll just go and delete that. Okay, I delete the whole section. I just want to delete like the video. So yeah, here I'll just go and delete it. Click on this plus or click on this plus, it's the same. And here go to blog again and choose whatever you want to add. So for example, I want this. I'll just go and click on it once, or you can drag it wherever you want. And as example, for me, I don't have any posts, so I'll just go here to, of course, not this. Where's this post specifically, just double click on it, then click on manage post, and you will be able to do the same. As you can see, it's just the interface that's different. As I said, it's basically the same stuff. So click on add, create a new post, create whatever you want on your blog, edit it however you want, and you should be good to go. Once you've done everything, just preview it and see if looking correctly. If it's looking correctly, just go and publish it. Of course, you can even connect your custom domain if you want to. If you don't have a custom domain, you can publish it on the URL that they give you, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.